Could I give them a little secret? Yeah, I could give them a little secret.
Hey guys, it's Haley. Today we're going to be checking back in with John for another printer review. This time on the Mach 4S Industrial Thermal Transfer Printer. This model is a fairly unassuming representation from CAD, but what it lacks in flash, it makes up in quality and reliability. Let's see what John has to say.
Hi, I want to introduce you to the new CAD Mach 4S industrial printer. The print mechanics and chassis are made of high quality materials. It comes in 200, 300, and 600 DPI, and this is the basic version, but it also comes with a cutter and a peel option. As you can see, the labels and ribbon load from the top, and the centered material guide keep adjustments to a minimum. Check out this large color touch display. With this display, you can easily navigate printer setup, diagnostics, and testing. People who are new to this printer will really like that you can pull up a QR code and use your phone to show you how to load ribbons, load labels, clean the print head, and adjust the sensor. The CAD Mach 4S has the ability to store label formats in the printer itself. So through the display, you can just recall that label format and start printing. The printer has USB ports where you can connect a scanner, and the Ethernet port is standard. So the reason why this printer is a good industrial printer but yet works in the office well is the chassis and this cover. The cover keeps out dust and pollutants from your factory, and it also acts as a noise buffer in the office. The CAD Mach 4S is really good at printing on small labels. It can print on labels as small as 5 millimeters by 5 millimeters. So if you're labeling tubes or other small items, this printer does a really good job. If you're wondering about the cost of this printer, the 200 DPI is around $1,400. The 300 DPI is around $1,600, and you can get a 600 DPI printer for $1,800. Thermal transfer printing is really economical. One of the costs of operating a thermal transfer printer is eventually you'll have to replace the print head. And it's nice to know that CAD gives you a 2-year warranty on the print head, where most other printer manufacturers just give you a 6-month warranty. Hey, here's a little secret. You get everything that the Squix has for less.
So, like John said, the Mach 4S is efficient, powerful, and can fit into any budget. And while it's hard to find a bad thing to say about this model, keep in mind that the Mach 4S does not have the modular flexibility to add a cutter, applicator, or other extended features. Once you choose the version of the Mach 4S that you want to work with, there aren't many customization opportunities. Additionally, this isn't the type of printer for printing 24/7. John has a few other recommendations in this video for that type of printing. With that being said, as you've learned today, this is still a great, reliable thermal transfer printer for any application. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.